Hello there! Today we are going to make a teapot. So, are you excited for this activity? Well then, let's see what's in our book. Yes, we're going to open the book together and see what's there. Wow, the teapot looks quite interesting. We are going to make this today. So, let's follow the steps and start making. What do we do first? Yes, we just make a rough outline of the teapot. And which shape is this? You're absolutely right. It's a circle. So, let's make a proper circle in the center. Keep some space on the left and the right side so that you can make the handle and the spout of it. Let's make these two curves on top and make the lid, which is going to be half of a circle. Let's make a nice big curved handle here. And then the spout of this, for which we are going to make a curve like this. Let's make the bottom part where the teapot is being kept. And now start making the fair part of it. While making the drawing fair, you can make it a little darker as well. Try and keep equal distance between both the lines which we are making for the handle. Let's make this beautiful curved line in the center and keep enough space between these two lines so that we can make these small circles inside. Also, try and make sure that all the 4 circles are of the same size. Not to worry if they are not. Let's take our eraser and erase all of these overlapping parts. And then start sketching. Sketching is my favorite part. Can we do this activity together? Yes, even I am going very slow so that we can finish this together. Keep your book however you're comfortable with and then start sketching the entire teapot. Go right on top of the pencil marks and very slow. Let's make the handle now. And then the front part. This is great. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. It is advisable to wait for a few seconds before you start erasing immediately after your sketching. At first, we took a Persian blue color which is very dark, and on top of it, we started doing our violet color. You can also take purple color if you have one. Try taking the closest shade mentioned in our book. We are going to color this very carefully as there are a few parts which are dark and there are a few parts which are light. Do you know why is it so? because the darker parts are where the shadow is formed and the lighter part is where the light is falling. Once we are done with the violet color, we are going to merge it or blend it with our purple color. This looks amazing. Can we continue coloring with our darker violet now? Yes, whenever you want a dark shade, press the color hard on top of the paper, and whenever you want a lighter shade, release the pressure from the color and start coloring. Something like this. Make sure you keep a white patch on the left side where the light is falling. This looks great. You can also take another shade of violet or purple if you have and color lightly on top of it to give it a beautiful texture. Let's complete this circle from the bottom like this so that it is dark, and then release the pressure from the color and start coloring. Continue coloring this on the left side as well. And then why don't we do this at the bottom? Yes, outline it darker and color inside lightly. This looks very interesting. Now it's time for us to do this front part. So let's start doing this. At first we are going to do this lightly and then make this part darker. Yes, the bottom part, you're right. And keep some white space in the middle as well. You can use your fingers or tissue paper to smudge or blend the colors together. This is just going to give it a beautiful effect. This is lovely. Continue coloring on the top part now. Yes, let's do this together. Give it a beautiful finishing touch up. And now switch your color to red color. Start with the circles as well. The first circle we made has a white patch in the front, so we will not color the entire circle with red color. And now let's switch to yellow color. At first we are going to take a deep yellow color and do the right part. After that we will release the pressure and color it lightly. And then take a light yellow color and continue coloring ahead. Yes, we are going to blend the color a little in the middle. Make sure you get done with all the white spaces. That's lovely.